Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the Form Ranger app for Google Forms, which can be used to populate the drop-down menus and multiple choice options in Google Forms from an Excel sheet. Right? In simple language, suppose I want to put many options in a drop-down menu, say about 100 or 200 options in a drop-down menu. So in that case, we do not do it manually. We can copy those options from an Excel sheet. So one of the best examples that we use in our day-to-day classes, as I am a teacher, the roll numbers, the data of roll numbers. Suppose I am designing a Google form to assess the assignments of the students. So I want the data on the roll number, so that I can make the list of the students with their roll numbers and marks, etc., which is a very common requirement for teachers. So we can copy the roll numbers or include the roll numbers from an Excel sheet to the drop down menu of the Google form. So in that case, what will happen, the student doesn't have to enter the roll number manually. So this acts as a cross check. We put the roll numbers from the Google sheet, Excel sheet, and the student chooses from the drop down menu. So if there is a mismatch, obviously immediately the student will let the teacher know that her or his roll number is missing. Okay, so it's better to use this drop down option for the Google Forms. Okay, so for this let us start with any Google form. So let me just go to this Google form. So in the Google you can type Google Forms, and with your Gmail account logged in, if it is not logged in, it will ask you to log in. So here I have already logged in and I have opened the Google Forms option here. I already have created one Google form. Say this one, this is the Google form. Yeah, so this is a sample assignment for which I have created for 4th sem honors students. So in the assignment, I want the students to mention their name and roll number, and they have to submit a scanned copy of some assignment, handwritten scanned copy of some assignment. Okay, I usually take online tests also, where the evaluation is done automatically, but sometimes it is also necessary to evaluate their handwritten notes or handwritten how they do the handwritten problems. Okay, so in that case we can use this option for the scanned copy of the assignment. So we can add that here in the form itself. So I have kept one option for name, right, and it's not a multiple choice question, it's a short answer question. So the student will enter his or her name here, and then I'll keep one option for the roll number. Okay, so here I'll keep it as roll number, but I don't want the student to enter the roll number manually. Okay, in that case, one problem is, if I keep the manual option for entering the roll number, there is always a chance that some student may enter the roll number wrongly, okay, by mistake or intentionally or whatever. There is some chance. So instead of that, I want to list the roll numbers as per my register, as per the available college register or school register. I want that the roll numbers should be listed here in a drop down menu, and the student has to select his own roll number. Okay, so if the list is proper, if the list is properly collected from the attendance register, then there should not be any mistakes. And even if there are mistakes, if some student is not able to find the roll number in the drop down menu, immediately the teacher will be informed by the student himself or herself. Okay, so let us see how we can put this drop down option. Okay, so for this we will need an add-on here in the Google form. So we can go to these 3 dots which are available there, and there is an add-on option here. We will go to this add-on option, and immediately we will see the list of these apps. Okay, so there is an app called Form Ranger. So we can click on this app and we can just install it. It will ask for some permissions. We can just keep on allowing those. And here already I have installed, so it's showing installed here, right? So we can do that. Once it is installed, we go to this option here. Yeah, this is the question that is marked. We go to this option and then click on this add-ons option here, right? Here you may see there is an add-on option here, right? So we will click here and we will select the form ranger option. Okay, so we should get something called start. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't work, so we can reload the form, right? Okay, we can reload this form and then we'll get this option, form ranger. Yeah, so this is the option, start option. So click on this start option. So immediately we'll see there is a list of questions which we have already put. So one of we are trying to populate the options for roll number. Okay, so we'll select this. This is the list of questions. So the form ranger will work for multiple choice, drop down, check boxes, etc. So here roll number, I had selected the drop down option, so that's why this is showing populate from the range. So we have to select our Excel or spreadsheet here. Okay, so here right now I don't have anything prepared, so let us click on plus. So it will ask us to select a spreadsheet. So what we can do is from the Excel sheet we can just save our roll numbers in a spreadsheet, right? So here I have already created this 4th sem honors. So this is the list of students from the 4th sem honors. Just let me show you Google spreadsheet. So it's similar to Excel sheet. So from the Excel sheet containing the roll numbers of that particular class, you can just copy these to the Google spreadsheets. Okay, so in Google you can type Google spreadsheets. It will take you to this spreadsheets. I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong one probably. Yeah, this one, Google Sheets. Yeah, so go to Google Sheets. So from there we can create new sheets, right? So like that. So here already I have created. So if it is not created, we can just click on this blank sheet and then we can copy the columns of those roll numbers and all here. Okay, so here in my system I had already copied this. So let me open the ready-made file here. This is the 4th sem honors list that I had created. So the list contains, as you can see, only the first column. You can also put the second column as well, the list of the names, corresponding names, and that also can be done. Okay, so here I have just put the roll numbers for demonstration. So these are the roll numbers which are in the first column. So you have to put every roll number in the same column. Okay, so if they are not arranged, we can also arrange them, right, using the data options. So we can select this. Suppose they are not arranged. Suppose 6504 is not here. Okay, 6506 is somewhere here and 6504 is below. Okay, so that means they are not arranged, right? Suppose this is what is there. So but I want them to be in the increasing order. Okay, so to be ordered, right? So we can select this particular column and go to data, then sort sheet by column A to Z. That means it will sort in the ascending order. Okay, so immediately you can see it's sorted in the ascending order, right? But we need the column heading. The column heading has also gone down, so we can just bring this column heading above, right? So this I'll bring it here and put it in the first row. Okay, so this has to be, this is the column heading, roll number, right? Okay, then we can press Ctrl S. So here I have selected this particular spreadsheet and the column. So I want to select the column containing only the roll numbers. So that I have selected. So we'll put next, and then you can name it so that you can use it in some other sheets as well for the same class. So we'll name it as per our class. Say I'm naming it as 4th Sem Honors, right? Save and populate questions. Okay, so immediately what will happen, the list of this will be generated. The list of all these roll numbers will come here as options, drop down options. Okay, so we don't have to enter all the roll numbers manually, we can just bring it from the spreadsheet. Okay, and then I have kept one option for uploading the scanned copy in PDF format for the assignment. Okay, so there are several options here. File upload option is there. I had selected that and I put it here. Okay, now let us have a look at the preview, how this form will look like to the students. So when the students access this form, they will get this type of thing, say name, right? They will have an option to choose their own roll number. Okay, so they can make a choice from the list of these roll numbers. Okay, say the student list checks this, and then they will have an option for add file. Okay, so that can be done. So suppose I'm adding one file here from somewhere. Okay, I'm adding a file from here probably. Yeah, this one, say this counting principles. Okay, so this is the file I'm adding here. Upload. Okay, so the document has been uploaded, and after clicking the submit response, so once the students submit their responses, will be the administrator, that is the teacher, will be able to see the responses. So these are the responses. As you can see, the roll number has also been entered. So this was the roll number that I had selected, 6508. Okay, so we can see the view the responses here. So here in the responses sheet, okay, we can view the responses in this particular option, right? View responses, and there is an option here. So there we can select, click this, then we'll see the responses. Okay, so this is the response. Yeah, this number that this was the roll number that we had selected, 6830. Okay, this was the roll number selected. Yeah, 6830, this was the roll number that was selected. So this roll number has already come in the Google sheet, okay, spreadsheet, right? So that way we can collect the assignments, and the assignments will be stored in this particular Google Drive link, and the corresponding roll number also will be listed here, so that we can keep a track of which student has submitted which assignment, right? So that is the use of the form ranger. Thank you.